How's it going, everybody? In today's video, I want to talk about why the wealthy buy life insurance. Now, I know if you're somebody that's wealthy and you don't have life insurance, you may be thinking, I'm worth, $25 million. What I need life insurance policy for? I'm good. If I pass away, my family, my friends, my business is going to be fine forever. But one thing that you may not know is that if you don't have life insurance, so you have your money just put aside and stuff like that, taxes will hit that. So when you have life insurance policy, those, that money is pretty much protected underneath the life insurance policy, so it doesn't get hit by taxes. So here's a drawing to better illustrate what I'm trying to say. So this is the taxes right here. Let me turn off my fan because fan's messing, blowing with my paper. But here's the taxes. The taxes is the cloud of rain that will come to you that's trying to rain on your parade. So the taxes is trying to rain on your parade and trying to rain on your money, trying to take away from your money. So as you can see here, we have protection, which is the good old life insurance. So we have our life insurance is worth $500,000, right? And so our life insurance, or our money, is protected underneath the umbrella of life insurance. But not only that, this person is protected underneath the umbrella too of life insurance. You see, that's pretty much why wealthy people buy it in a nutshell, because it's protected. It's protected from taxes that could possibly be pulled out. So there are many wealthy people that are now, they became wealthy because they utilized their life insurance policy. So think about somebody like Ronald McDonald. Ronald, he became wealthy from McDonald. We see all these last names and stuff like that. These are basically people that have businesses and that were covered underneath life insurance, and pretty much their last name continues to live on because of important things or contributions that they gave to the world, whether if it's their business or just them in general or whatever the case may be. So anyways, we have famous people like McDonald or J.C. Penney had, lost all his money during the Great Depression. But since he had permanent life insurance at the time, he was able to continue running his business because he had permanent life insurance. Same thing with Walt Disney. He was broke, had no money, but the reason why he was able to open up his amusement parks is because he had life insurance. He had permanent life insurance policy that helped build his amusement park. So this is nothing new to wealthy people. They use life insurance policies. So in our life insurance policy, there is no tax. It doesn't get taxed. It doesn't get taxed. It's safe. No tax. And then also, there's no loss in your market, or no market loss. So there are individuals out there that have life insurance policies and they have life insurance policy. They have a life insurance policy that is index based, or it's connected to S&P 500. And so basically what that does is it earns interest every time you pay for your premiums. It earns interest. So when the market goes down, that index fund or that S&P life insurance policy is not affected if the market goes down. It still has its value, which is great. That's a great reason. That's another reason why people have life insurance, or they have index life insurance or index whole life insurance, which we'll talk about. We're going to talk about all that in a different video. But that's another reason why they have it, is because it doesn't get affected if the market goes down. It doesn't get affected if the market declines, or, you know, if bad stuff happens in the market, that policy doesn't get affected. And so another reason is that the market is liquid, has liquidity, you know? So I would just put liquid. I know it's kind of liquidity. It has liquidity, which that basically means that you have access. You have more control over your life insurance policy than you would with a retirement or a IRA or a 401k plan. You have more control over your life insurance policy. It's especially if you're the policy owner. You have control. If you're the primary policy owner, you have a lot of control over your life insurance policy, which you just don't necessarily get with your 401k plan or your IRA plan. You just don't get that like how you get in life insurance policy. So you're able to pull out money when you need. You have funds. That's another one. You have funds when you need it. So you have funds readily available for you to pull out when you need to, for maybe a house, maybe to go back to college, maybe to send your kids to college, maybe to pull out your to pay out your mortgage. There's a lot of things that you can pull out money for, and you're able to with life insurance policy. So, and then not only that, let's say if you outlive your life insurance policy. So you had your life insurance policy set up for a limited time and you outlive it. You can have a living benefit. You can have a living benefit put on your life insurance policy to where your money is linked to like I said, an index fund or SPA, and it earns interest. But not only that, you can pull out that money if you need it. And that's what's so awesome about life insurance policies. There's so many different things that you can do with it. And that's why I feel like people, especially wealthy people, purchase life insurance because the money is underneath the umbrella. You got the money. It's underneath the umbrella of life insurance policy. So it's all right here. So this umbrella protects that money. This umbrella is life insurance policy. It protects that money so that it can earn interest through, you can do index funds or S&P 500. It just depends on what you want to do. The interest then, the interest will be earned that they can put underneath the life insurance, which will give them access. It gives them access, complete access to that money. You don't have to worry about the market going down because it's not going to affect your life insurance policy. And there's no taxes on the money that's earned in interest. So if you're somebody that's thinking about buying life insurance policy, or you haven't already, be sure to check out the link down below, get you a free quote. Also, you can set up a 15 to 30 minute consultation questionnaire with me so I can get a better feel of what you exactly want out of life insurance, how long you want it, and as well as how much coverage that you want. And just really be mindful on how you get life insurance, what kind you get, and how much you get, because that can really set the tone for your legacy that you leave after you pass away. We all realize that we're not going to be here forever. I know we try as a human race to avoid thinking about death, but it's something that we need to think about and be prepared for. And life insurance is the perfect vehicle to get you prepared, to get your family prepared for anything that may or may not happen to you. And with that being said, make sure to subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave that in the comments down below. Subscribe, hit notification bells, like all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.